Welcome everyone to the quarterly report video where we take a closer look at Vattenfall's current finances. And this time it's the Q4 and the full year of 2019 that is in focus. And a special welcome to you, Anna and Magnus.
Thank you.
So just to start, looking at the full year, what is your takeaways from that?
Well, I mean, clearly we have an improved result versus last year, 14.9 billion SEK, that's 25% up. And that's also after some one-offs up and down. But if you then look to the underlying result at 25.1 billion is actually also 25% up. So I think we have achieved really good results for 2019.
So we see a positive and improved result for 2019. But how did we do when it comes to delivering on our targets?
We are doing very well, and I'm happy to say that all the hard work that our colleagues have done over the year actually means that we are reaching our financial targets for the first time since 2012. And as you know, our return on capital employed is supposed to be above 8%. We're now at 8.5 for the full year 2019. And our FFO to adjusted net debt target, which is supposed to be somewhere between 22 and 27%, is coming in on 26.5. So it's an amazing achievement, and I'm very happy to be able to say that.
Yeah, that's good to hear. But we had kind of a tough start in the beginning of the year with the storm Alfrida. Was the impact from Alfrida less than expected? And which were the main contributions to improve the result?
Well, looking at the Alfrida storm specifically, the main impact was, of course, that so many of our customers were out of power for quite some time. But from a financial aspect, it means that we had the costs for approximately 850 million SEK, both when it comes to sending people out to do the repair work, but also to pay our customers for being out of power for so long. But as you said, there's been a lot of other things going on in the business as well. We had a record warm year, which of course hits our sales both on the heat and electricity side. So we have been struggling in many ways, and despite that, our businesses are delivering. Our generation business has had a very good availability during the year in both the nuclear and hydro operations. And in our hydro operations, we were even able to compensate the low prices with slightly higher volumes. And the quite low prices we've also seen had an effect on our wind business and on our heat business. But we also have new wind assets being up and spinning, contributing to our result. And in our heat business, we are working very hard on phasing out CO2. So that is an important job in order to be profitable and healthy going forward. Our markets business has delivered a very good trading result this year. That's welcome. And our customer and solution business has, despite challenging market conditions, continued to deliver and even grow, especially in Germany. So a challenging year in many ways, but also a lot of hard work in order to compensate for the challenges and making sure we actually did reach the targets in the end.
It has been quite an eventful year. And besides the things that Anna already mentioned, what are what made a mark for you, so to speak?
Well, I mean, apart from what Anna said and all the good work that has been done, it also shows off in the proof points, we call it. I mean, during the year we won the Hollandse Kust 3 and 4, which means we can now put together one full big project, one Hollandse Kust 1, 2, 4, which will then be, of course, a decision for 2020. We inaugurated Horns Rev 3 together with the Danish Crown Prince. That was a great success. We had all the media coverage in Denmark during those days. That was really good. We also closed some coal-fired power plants. Reutersee in Berlin, and we also closed Hemweg at the end of last year. I think 2 successful closures in that sense that we dealt with our people and responsible closure. We changed from Nuon to Vattenfall during last year, which was something that, you know, I saw it coming for many years, but now we really did it, and the Dutch team made a great job there. We also, of course, closed our Ringhals 2 unit, which is not really a transformation that is good in a sense of our purpose, but something that was necessary from a profitability viewpoint. That was also done, I think, in a very, very successful manner. And then, of course, we also issued a green bond last year with 5 billion Swedish crowns, which we now have to deliver and use proof that we are using it for green investment. So the proof points are important. I think we have had several of them last year, and of course it contributes to the development of the business.
What's the outlook for 2020 then? Any special opportunities or highlights?
There are always opportunities. I just mentioned earlier that of course we are now working hard. The organization is working hard to put forward a proposal to invest in the Hollandse Kust 1 and 4. That will be quite a big investment that we are going to consider during this year. We also have investment budgets which is up to 58 billion Swedish crowns during the coming 2 years, where 35 is on the growth side. So we really have a majority of growth investments, which I think is really good. But there is also now quite a discussion, I think, around climate issues with the new Green Deal in Europe. I think this will be interesting to follow. We have now a law also in Germany talking about the phase out of coal, which will be very interesting to follow. So there's so many different things happening. But considering that, I think we should now just say that, for the 2019, we managed really to fulfill our two most important targets, return on capital employed 8.5 and FFO to adjusted net debt by 26.5.
Thank you to the both of you for sharing your thoughts on this, and thank you for watching.